Are you tired of logging in again and again on Plex app? In this video, I will show you how to stay logged in on the Plex app step by step, so you don't have to enter your login details every time you open the app. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Plex app. Here in this page, you will find this list or this window. So you will go to above. Here on above you will click on this sign of profile. You will tap on profile. After that, in this list of profile, you will go to settings. So you will click on settings. Then here in this page you will find this window of accounts. So you will tap on account. And after that, here in this page you will find automatically sign in. So you click here in this sign. If the sign changes to this color, then you can be able to sign in automatically without signing again and again on the application of Plex. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.